How to handle a personal injury claim against a government entity. Being by explaining that handling a personal injury claim against a government entity such as city, country, a state or federal government can be a complex process, emphasizing that government entity have a special procedure and deadline that need to be followed carefully to ensure the claim is valid. Reassure the audience that by understanding the steps involved, they can successfully navigate the process and increase their chance of compensation. Understand the claim process for government entity. Explain that government entity are protected by sovereign immunity, meaning they cannot be sued in the same way as private individual or businesses. This means there are a specific step that must be followed to file a claim. Mention that government entity often have a notice of claim procedure that must be completed before any lawsuit can be filed. Advise the audience to check the relevant government agency's website or consult an attorney to understand the specific rules and deadline for filing a claim. Meet the deadline. Stress that filing a personal injury claim against a government entity has a strict deadline, which can be much shorter than those for claim against private party. For example, in many cases, you may only have a few months to file a notice of claim compared to the typical 2 or 3 years for private claim. Advise the audience to act quickly and make sure to file the necessary paperwork within the required time frame. Missing a deadline could result in losing the right to file the claim. File a notice of claim. Explain that the first step is filing a personal injury claim against a government entity is usually to submit a formal notice of claim. This is a written document. Gather evidence and documentation. Emphasize the importance of collecting all relevant evidence and documentation to support the claim, just as you would be for a personal injury case against a private party. Negotiate with the government entity. Explain that after filing the notice of claim, advise communicating clearly and professionally with the entity claim adjuster or attorney. Be prepared to provide additional information or negotiate the amount of compensation. Mention that government agencies often prefer to settle claim outside of court to avoid the cost and publicity of a trial. Encourage the audience to review any settlement offer carefully to ensure they are fair and reflective of the injuries and damage increased. Consider legal representation. Suggest that anyone filing a claim against a government entity should strongly consider hiring an attorney, as government claim can be more complicated than a standard personal injury case. Advise the audience to look for an attorney who is specialized in government claim for personal injury law and who is familiar with the procedure involved. Reassure the audience that a lawyer can help navigate the legal complexity, meet deadline, handle negotiation, and ensure that the claim is handled properly. Prepare for possible denial or lawsuit. Explain that government claims are often denied, especially if the claim is deemed invalid or incomplete. If a claim is denied, it is important to have a backup plan. Mention that in some cases you may need to file a lawsuit against the government, which require additional step and paperwork. Advise the audience to consult with an attorney to understand the next step. If the claim is denied, and to prepare for the possibility of talking the matter of the court. Summarizing the step for handling a personal injury claim against a government entity, understanding the claim process, meeting deadline, filing a notice of claim, gathering evidence, negotiating with the government, considering legal representation, and preparing for potential denial. Remind the audience that claim against government entity can be complicated, but by following the proper procedure and seeking professional assistance, they can successfully navigate the process and get the compensation they deserve. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.